my review of my Yucky cough drop I found in my laundry. To open it up real quick. It's like really gross and disgusting, and the paper is all melted into it. I actually don't even think I can get the paper off. Hold on. Try to get as much of it off as possible. It's hard. Okay, I think that's about as good as it gets. Most of it's still on, but anyways. You can still get some like of the honey out of it. It's mostly paper in my mouth, but maybe if I crunch down, I can really taste the honey. It actually doesn't taste like yeah, it doesn't taste like detergent at all. But yeah, it's kind of gross.